Hey guys, Nick from Ohio Power Tool. I am joined with our safety specialist, Mike Luna.
Hi.
So today we're going to talk about safety inspections and why they're important. So Luna,
Yeah.
why are safety inspections so important?
The biggest key behind safety inspections is to ensure not only the employers, but their employees make it home safe and sound.
I would say that's pretty important.
Absolutely.
I'd like to get home right now.
Right now?
Yeah, see you later. Now when it comes to inspections, what kind of inspections are there for job site specifically?
Absolutely. There are so many inspections at a job site. Everything from fall prevention to typical PPE, whether it's hard hat, safety glasses, high-vis clothing, or even FR clothing, slip, trips, and falls, to even basic glove surveys.
All right, so I know what you're asking yourself. Who the hell is this guy? And why does he know so much about safety? Luna, tell these kind people who you are.
I'm originally from Santa Paula, California. I joined the military in 1989. I retired after
Don't mean to interrupt. I was born in 1987.
So I'm aging myself. So I joined the military, did 22 years in the U.S. Air Force as a firefighter. Various positions I've held, anything from the fire chief for Rescue Air Mobility Squad in Iraq to my last job, which was functional manager, Air Force Space Command Fire Emergency Services. After I retired, it was 22 years. I went into the civilian sector and continued on with the safety background, I guess you can say.
Yeah.
I was able to use my master's degree, which I have in Homeland Security. And then I was actually able to find my way to here, Ohio Power Tool. Very fortunate to be here, able to use my background to assist multiple customers out there, whether it's information on OSHA, NFPA, whether items meet ANSI standards. We work really well with our manufacturers to provide that kind of training to our customers.
So I think you know your stuff. I mean, that's pretty
Just a
safe
little, I would say.
to say.
There you go. Safe to say, exactly.
That's weak. I'm sorry. So that's a little bit about Mike and a little bit about inspections. Of course, there is much more to learn about.
Absolutely.
This is very quick and brief. If you have questions or you are interested in some safety equipment, we are the place to go. Go to ohiopowertool.com, or you can just give us a call. You can talk to one of our safety specialists or even this guy. Now, thank you for watching. See you next time.
And once again, reach out to ohiopowertool.com.
Reach out to the website.
Reach out. Let's do that again.
Reach to us.